This Instagram account made me over $1,000, and it doesn't even belong to a real person. The scariest part is that anyone can do this. All it takes is one Instagram account and one AI platform. In this video, I'll break down every single step so you can do the same. For a long time, people with great ideas never created content because you needed a camera, editing skills, and the confidence to show your face. Higgsfield AI removes those barriers. It brings multiple AI tools into one place, so instead of switching between different websites, everything lives in one simple workflow. Now let's look at how you can use Higgsfield and Instagram to make money. The first step was creating a brand new Instagram account. Make sure you use an authentic email address when signing up. Next comes the bio. A well-written, SEO-optimized bio helps Instagram understand what your page is about, which improves reach and discoverability. For this, I use ChatGPT. If you go to the Higgsfield website and tap on the Assist option from the main menu, you'll land on a page where you can use ChatGPT. I pasted a simple prompt, available in the description, then edited it by adding my Instagram account name. That prompt generates 7 SEO-optimized bio options, and you can simply choose the one you like most. Once the bio was set, the next step was creating a profile picture. For this account, I used a close-up image of the AI model's face, with good lighting and a clean background. To create this image, I used Google Nano Banana Pro. On the Higgsfield website, you'll find the Nano Banana Pro tool under the image section. I pasted a simple prompt, which you'll find in the description, and modified it based on my style. This helped me generate a realistic, high-quality portrait that works perfectly as a profile picture. Once the profile picture was set, the account finally looked complete. Now the real work started, posting consistently. An Instagram account doesn't grow overnight. I started with 0 followers, posted content daily, and slowly grew this account over time. Most people quit in few days because they don't see results. But you have to keep posting for at least 30 days. I posted 1 image and 1 reel every day, all created using Higgsfield AI. Now let's see how you can create content for your AI model. Since we have to post daily, it's important to maintain character consistency. To do that, we use the reference image option. This option locks in the same face and facial features, while the prompt is used to describe what you want to create. This way, you can generate new images of the same character while keeping the face consistent every time. Higgsfield also has the Soul ID character tool. You upload 10 to 20 images of your AI character from different angles and expressions, and it builds a reusable digital model. After that, every image stays consistent, the character feels real, and content creation becomes insanely fast. But consistency alone won't grow your account. You need strategy. Every day, I spent about 15 minutes on Instagram just studying what was trending in my niche. For example, I saw a dancing video that already had millions of views, so I decided to recreate the entire video for my account. To do that, I used ChatGPT, Google Nano Banana Pro, and the Kling motion control tool inside Higgsfield. First, I took a screenshot from the reference video. Then I opened ChatGPT and uploaded that screenshot. I asked ChatGPT to write a prompt to recreate the exact image. Once the prompt was ready, I copied it. Next, I opened the Higgsfield website, went to the image section, and selected the Nano Banana Pro model. I attached my AI model's image as a reference and pasted the prompt I copied earlier. I selected Real Resolution because I wanted to use it in a real format video. Finally, I clicked the Generate button. After waiting a few moments, my image was ready. Then I went to the video section and selected Kling motion control. I uploaded the original dance video and the image I generated in the previous step. You don't need to enter a prompt, but you can if you want. Then I clicked Generate. As you can see, the model copies the exact dance steps from the reference video. That's how Higgsfield helped me grow faster, join trends instantly, and turn an AI character into a money-making Instagram account. Now let me show you exactly how I create brand deal content using AI. If a brand contacts you for a promotion, you can simply use Google Banana Pro to generate the content. Upload your AI model image and the brand's product image. Then write a simple, clear prompt telling the AI to create a realistic photo of your model holding or using the product. Finally, tap Generate, and in just a few seconds, your AI model is perfectly posed with the brand's product. You can also generate the same image from different angles without writing a new prompt. By using the multi-shot option, the AI automatically generates 9 shots for you. Now let's create carousel posts for your brand deals using AI. To do that, open the Higgsfield app and choose the What's Next app. Next, upload the image of your AI model using and holding the product, then hit Generate. After a few minutes, the AI will produce 9 unique variations of your image. From these, you can choose the ones that work best for your Instagram carousel. You can download images individually, save the full grid as one image, or upscale each picture for higher quality. It's simple. You can take any AI-generated image and add motion to it. Write a clear prompt to tell the AI exactly what you want in your video. I'm using the WAN 2.6 model, but you can use any model you prefer. You can also set the video duration and resolution before generating. In just a few moments, your brand deal video is ready.
This book didn't change my life, it helped me slow down enough to hear myself again.
You can also turn 2 images into a smooth video using AI with the Kling01 video model. Upload one image as the start frame and the second as the end frame. Write a clear prompt describing the video, choose the resolution and duration, and tap Generate. After a short wait, your AI-generated video is ready, seamlessly transitioning from the first image to the second, with no filming and editing required. On top of that, Higgsfield Cinema Studio makes content creation even easier. It lets you go from text to image to video, all in one workflow, without switching between tools. I've made a separate video on this if you want to watch. So how did I actually make $1,000? I earned $220 from story promotions, around $50 from affiliate commissions, and about $260 from Instagram subscriptions over the month. The rest came from UGC brand deals and feed post promotions, which totaled roughly $470. Altogether, these income streams pushed the account past the $1,000 mark. I hope you understand the process clearly.